Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to guide you and show you how you can download Spotify songs to listen to them while you are offline and without an internet connection. So without further ado, let us get started. Make sure you have the Spotify application on your desktop. Once you download it, open the Spotify application. Here, also make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, you will not be able to download it. So first, what you want to do is on the left hand side, you can see the plus icon which says create playlist. So I'm simply going to select rename this playlist by telling it songs to download. Once you create the playlist, click on save. Now go to Spotify home and try to play any song. When you right click or click on the three dots over any song, as you can see, there is no any option to download it. So what you want to do is simply click on these three dots and add this song to your playlist. As you can see, add this to your playlist. We will add this to our recent playlist which we just created. So over here, what you want to do right now is go back to your playlist, and here you can see the download like icon in this playlist. So when you click on this, it will download the Spotify song on your desktop. Now what happened is, once you see the green icon, it means that the song has been successfully downloaded. Now you can listen to this song even while you're offline on your Spotify application. So this is how you can download a Spotify song on your desktop so that you can listen to them while you are offline. If you have any questions, queries or doubts regarding this, then do make sure to leave them in the comment section below. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we will bring you more awesome geek videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.